Alright guys, welcome back to the final episode. Finally got something done, and I've got some better entertainment for you guys today. I'm still making the videos with my cell phone, so I haven't started the iPad yet because it is the next day from when I posted the other video that you guys possibly or did watch, or maybe you didn't watch, I don't know, about things that are happening with the channel and the CV shafts and stuff with the Bravada. But here's the Bro-Vada. This is the final episode or final part or whatever you want to say to the Bro-Vada stereo build. It's all done. I finally got it all done. The thing sounds phenomenal. It sounds great. So I'm going to show you guys real quick what all I did. So, first we're going to showcase it. We took the Audio Bond 12 out because I have two of them, and those are going to end up being part of the stereo build for Red Rebel. So I took the old school Jensen, no logo Jensen, and threw it in the box. So basically what we have is a Visonic 12-inch ported, single 12-inch ported box, kind of like a truck box. It's real small. It was a full range box. It had a tweeter here. I took the tweeter out and blocked it off. And then this wasn't even a port, it was fake. There was a board inside the box that was splitting it down the middle right here, and no air went out. So I took that board out to extend the box to make it bigger, to get a little more airspace, and I turned this into a port. Made a world of difference in the way it sounds. So again, we got a Visonic single 12-inch ported box with a old school Jensen 12, probably 400 watts max, 200 watts RMS. We have a 600 watt Kenwood amp. I believe it's a 600 watt Kenwood amp. It's a 2-channel. I could bridge it, but I'm not going to. It's just hooked up to the 1-channel. I don't want to blow the sub up. Again, it doesn't have high RMS ratings. All the wiring, power wire comes in from this side. RCA's come in from this side. And the ground wire goes back here to the body behind here. And then, from you see in the other video, we had the Q-Power speakers. We installed them. They're in. I don't know if you can see it behind there. You can see the blue and the chrome. We got one in the driver door, one in the passenger door, and then we got them in the back doors also. See the blue speaker. We got a new head unit. We got a Pioneer. It is a Pioneer DEH 6900 BT. We have some Audio Bond tweeters that I just mounted up here on where the other tweeters actually mounted underneath these plates. There's a steel plate that goes underneath this grill. I decided to mount these external. They sound way better. They throw a lot more noise. And then I was going to show you the wiring underneath the hood, but all it is just a power wire, and it runs down the passenger side. So I can't hook my phone up to give you guys a decent demo. So hopefully there's something decent on the radio. So without further ado, here's your demo. I mean, this will be decent, I guess.
Something
Not a lot of bump. Just very mild with the 112. Extremely clean. Extremely clean. Very clean sound. Very clean sound. I've always been one to pride myself in, a lot of people just hook their subwoofers up and they just run everything, stock interior speakers and stuff. Not me. I always run aftermarket everything. If you're going to do a stereo build, you do it correctly. This stereo and this Bravada, my whole intentions, again, was to make it sound extremely clean and crisp. I didn't want overpowering bass, and I didn't want overpowering treble. I wanted everything to be very even, which I do with most of my builds, unless I'm really trying to crank some bass out. Like when I go to do the build on Red Rebel, it's going to be extreme crazy bass. I'm going to try and hit 140 plus dB with it, but we'll see if I can actually do that with what I'm doing. But anyways, there you have it. The stereo build's all done. I still didn't put an installation kit in. As you can see, the stereo is just sitting there, but it fits in there pretty nice and it doesn't look like crap or anything. So rather than spending $20 on an install kit, I'm just going to leave it just like that. Again, this was a budget build. I think, let's see here, probably got a little over $100 into that build, and that's about it. I paid $20 for the amp used. I paid $30 for both the 12-inch subs, but only one sub went in here, so I would say that's more like $15. So we $30 or $20 for the amp, $15 for sub, you're up to $35. The tweeters were $10, I believe, so there's $45. The door speakers were $35, so 45, 35 is 50, 60, 70, it's $80. We're up to $80, and then a head unit, I believe, was just over $100. So we're at about 180 bucks, roughly about 180 bucks. And then the wiring kit was 15, I believe. No, not even. The wiring kit was $10. I got it off of eBay. It was one of them eBay kits that I showed you guys. So, yeah, we got less than $200 in this stereo, and it sounds phenomenal. So, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, and thanks for supporting the channel, and we'll catch you guys later. I hope you guys enjoyed this series, and we'll catch you on the flip side.